So I've got a problem. I've heard raccoons, and I've seen them on the Blink camera, doorbell camera, climbing up onto the roof, and I think they get down inside the chimney. I've heard noises, none recently, but I got this chimney cap. I went up there and measured it. I'll put the details in the description, and I'm gonna do an unboxing here. Alright, so there's the cap, and looks like that's a grate that goes around it. I got some tools here. So alright, looks like we've got two little ones here. And we got the two pieces right here, the cage that go around. And we've got these instructions, so I'm gonna open up that. So it looks like we got 4 nuts and 4 screws. I think that's what puts it together, the pieces together. And then it's got a silicone thing that you're supposed to spread around the bottom of these to seal it. But my chimney cap's a little bit weird. It's not the exact size. This is 29 inch, I think, and mine's 30 inch. So I've got metal meshing up there, so I might just be zip tying it real good up there just to get it up there. So I'm gonna put it together. Alright, so this is the finished project. I just had to clip these things in. They were straight, and then bend them down. There's 2 on each side, and then all I did was there's 4 bolts that go through, and then you put screws on them. Might be thinking about leaving the top off until I get up there, because so I can see what I'm doing. But I mean, they got like you know, sealant and stuff for it. I'm gonna see how it fits. You got to drill into the concrete actually with these four screws right there. So I mean, I might, if I can get away with zip tying it on, because there's already like a cage like that around it. If I can zip tie it on, I think it'll make it easier. It's gonna keep stuff out. It's gonna keep the rain out, so it'll do. I got heavy duty zip ties, so I'll try to take a video while I'm up there, but it's sketchy, so I'll try to do that.